Apple recently unveiled the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max as the successors to the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max, featuring a new titanium design, an action button, a USB-C port, the A17 Pro chip, and more. As Apple's premium flagship offerings, the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max are the most fully featured iPhones available. The iPhone 15 Pro starts at $999 and the iPhone 15 Pro Max starts at $1,199. For the Pro Max model, this is a $100 price increase over last year's model. But there is also no longer a 128GB storage configuration available for this device, meaning that it is effectively only a price hike if you normally buy this model. Before we talk about it more, welcome to Get Malumat. If you are new to the channel, please must subscribe to our channel and must like this video. We provide you with the latest updates and news of the world to keep you updated. Jumping to the video. Both phones have the same OLED Super Retina XDR always-on display with ProMotion and the Dynamic Island, the A17 Pro chip, 5G connectivity, and a Pro rear camera setup, and are available in the same color options. Although the two phones share the vast majority of features, there are 10 important differences between the devices. Our guide highlights the crucial differences between the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max and helps to answer the question of how to decide which of these two iPhone models is best for you. iPhone 15 Pro Max provides the longest optical zoom ever on iPhone, 5x at 120mm. Great for close-ups, wildlife photos, and catching the action from further distances. The new telephoto camera on iPhone 15 Pro Max has an innovative tetra prism design with a combined optical image stabilization and autofocus 3D sensor shift module, Apple's most advanced stabilization system yet. The iPhone 15 Pro has a maximum optical zoom of 3x and lacks the hardware enhancements of the iPhone 15 Pro Max's telephoto camera. Combined with a longer battery life and a larger display, the iPhone 15 Pro Max differs from the iPhone 15 Pro relatively significantly. The added $200 in price for the iPhone 15 Pro Max seems fair for its additional display area, battery life, storage, and camera technology, but it is important to weigh up these factors in your personal use case. This shrinks to a $100 price difference if you normally buy a 256GB model. If you normally purchase a 128GB iPhone Pro Max model, it may be time to look at the smaller model this year, since getting the larger model will necessitate spending $100 more than usual and getting 256GB of storage, which you may not use up. On the other hand, if you always purchase an iPhone with 256GB of storage, you may be more inclined to buy the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The most important decision point when choosing between the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max is undoubtedly screen size, but comfort, pocketability, weight, battery life, and camera technology are also important considerations that will depend on your personal needs and preferences. If you are hesitant about the size and weight of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, it may be better to stick with the iPhone 15 Pro, but it is otherwise unlikely to disappoint, especially if price is not an issue. That's all for this video so far. If you enjoyed the video, please share, like, and subscribe to get the latest updates. Till then, take care.